All right, we are at equity peaks in the 200K portfolio. We mentioned this portfolio at the end of last year in our webinar, the 200K portfolio 2020, and we will have a webinar coming up on the 21st of this month to go into full detail how this portfolio is set up and the details on this portfolio. You see that it is up 39.7750 on the month, and we can also take a look at, yesterday we released the Liquid DayTrade Portfolio, which includes 12 new strategies. It's also up on the month. These two portfolios include markets other than just stock index. The stock index portfolio is up on the month. The 19 system version is up on the month, but it is not completely out of its drawdown from December. So you see it was down 47.9250 on at the end of December, and it's up 3,700 this month so far, and still a little bit of a drawdown from its equity peak. And so the 38 system portfolio is down in a $7,800 drawdown from December, but it's up $2,800 on the month. You can see the drawdown curves. So these only include the stock indexes. And if you're taking a look at this is just workspace. The stock index portfolio 19, you're trading just the 19 strategies in this workspace, all strategy access 1 stock index portfolio. And then if you're trading the 38 system version, you're trading both workspace, both of the first two workspaces, these 19 strategies and these 19 strategies. And so the other portfolios include strategies from all strategy access 3. The highlights on the day are gold. Gold continues to trade a lot. SR Counter Trend 2 has 4 winners in a row on gold. And Asia Gold 4 has had a series of losing trades, hit its $1,000 profit target today on the sell-off in gold. And so those are some of the highlights. And so if you're trading some of these other portfolios, you're going to have all strategy access 3, 4, and 5 as well. And you get that additional market diversity. So if you trade, so once again, the 200K portfolio that we mentioned at the end of the webinar, much lower drawdown. The things that I like to look at are the total profit over drawdown, and the Liquid DayTrade Portfolio added these 12 strategies. You can customize it. When you have the all strategy access, you can customize and trade whatever you want. So you could trade the 200K portfolio plus the 12 new strategies, and you really boost this number right here. This has to update. It takes a little bit of time to update. Let's see if it did it. So let's update this. Needs to be updated. So let's update this once again. It can take a little time. There's a lot of data in here, and this number should change. Yes, 94.94 when you add these 12 strategies to this column. So when you do the drop down, it looks over here at this matrix and adjusts accordingly. And so you're adding 12 additional strategies. These 12 strategies from the All Strategy 5 workspace, and you get 94.94, almost 10,000, and it would have been up. We just added this yesterday, so it would have been up 80.6750. So we like to jump into things that are doing well now and have done well in the past. You can see every year in the past has been over $100,000 when you look at this, and it's pacing that right now. We're only in the first week, it's up 8,000. So good portfolio to take a look at. You have to be well capitalized, 200K. You could trade a smaller amount with the micros and mini contracts. That would be just, you could put decimal numbers in here to adjust for micros and mini contracts to have less capital. So that is the update on the day. I wanted to share with you where we are in the portfolios. This portfolio calculator will be available, and you can sign up for our latest webinar to go over these portfolio setups, and I will have the ACE. I'm going to show you where you can do that. So here is the registration introducing the all strategy access portfolios, and basically these videos right here are some brief introductions. We'll go into more detailed introductions. You can email me between now and then. This is on Tuesday, January the 21st from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. That Monday is a holiday, so we'll come back on that Tuesday a couple hours after the market opens, and then jump into this webinar so you can have details on all the details, question and answer session, and I look forward to putting that on here in about a week and a half.